Want to know how to level and make your audio consistent in Audacity so that you avoid volume ups and downs? But in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide to do so. So let's get right into it. So first off, launch Audacity and import any track that you like. Now double click on it to select the entire track. Now go to Effects, Volume and Compression and select Normalize. Make sure it's -1 decibel or -3 decibel. The choice is yours. You can change this accordingly to anything you like. I'll just go for -1 decibels and just simply click apply. Now here you can see the waveform has been spiked a little bit. Next, you can also use the compressor. Double click to select the entire track again. Go to Effects and go to Volume and Compression again and then select Compressor. Now here's to simply follow my tips. You can also tweak other settings, but if you're satisfied with what I've done, just simply click apply or you can preview it first. So that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.